Hi there everyone, I'm Richard from Burning Spears. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking smoked mac and cheese. Now I loved mac and cheese from a child already, but this is totally different and it's massive on the barbecue scene. It's an essential, and I've really gotten into it, and it's nice playing around with the recipe instead of having a standard one that I had growing up. So I'm going to make it today, and I'm going to smoke it in the Kamado Joe with applewood. I'm going to make a nice crust on this one. So basically you get your pasta, of course, and then you get your cheese sauce component. Now again, you're welcome to tailor anything as you like, according to your taste. So that's what's great about cooking, is you're not cornered into only using certain ingredients, except when you're baking, of course. So whilst cheeses like cheddar, maybe Gouda, mozzarella, Gruyere, all of that sort of thing are quite common. You can put Parmesan in there too. Being in the UK, red Leicester for me adds to that creaminess. So you get the creaminess from the red Leicester with a bit of the sharpness, but the sharpness and main flavor comes from your cheddar. A nice mature cheddar, if you can use one of those, is the best. So I basically make a roux and I chuck those cheeses in at low temperature. I use a lot of cheese. You might not be able to tell from my physique, but I use a lot of cheese. So cook the pasta, chuck the cheese sauce throughout. Then I'm going to do a crust today with panko breadcrumbs and chorizo, all crumbed up. So I'm going to toast these in a pan with a bit of butter till they're nice and golden. I'm going to fry that till it's crispy, blitz it up, mix it together, and that is the crust. Another really good cheat is the supermarket crispy onions that you buy. Throw those on top. Just adds that little difference in texture that everyone requires these days. So nice and healthy. Butter, flour, pasta, cheese, milk. And probably the healthiest thing about it is the smoke. So in any case, let me not ramble on too much. Enjoy the video, and look forward to showing you the end result. Okay, an hour and a half later, and this mac and cheese is out. Smoked, it's beautiful, smells incredible, and I'm going to dish this up alongside some pork belly burnt ends that I did. Keep an eye out for that video. So they were cooked together to be a separate dish, but nice and intricate enough to demand their own videos. So have a look out for that one as well. Really, really good. Between tasting those and getting those ready to serve, and then now smelling this, I'm going crazy here. So let me get a spoon in on this, and let's tuck in and have a look. Okay guys, here we have it. Look at that thing. Just to die for. And then a perfect creamy accompaniment. Just amazing. Just amazing. Thanks for watching. And yes, I hope it was enjoyable. Maybe it showed you guys something or gave you some new ideas. Maybe you realize your way is the better way, but thanks for watching, and see you soon. Thank you. That's it.